Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a DIY kinky ponytail. So I'm going to be using the series hair from Expression. I'm also going to just be using one part of the hair. So depending on the length you want, you can keep the length of the hair as it is, or you can decide to cut it. As for me, I just decided to cut it into two, or if you want it shorter, you can cut it into four places. All good. So at this point, my ponytail is ready. So I'll be adding some combs to put my ponytail in places on my head. The comb is going to just pin it down and make it tighter. today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon to get notified when I upload the part 2 of this video, which is the install of this video. And any questions you guys have, just leave it in the comment section. I'll answer your questions. Bye.